Okay, so welcome, and now what we're going to do is we're going to do a similar type problem with the percent change. So just like with sales tax, we can set up the proportion a little bit differently so that we compare different values. So like for example, in this case here, what if I, instead of wanting the increase, right, the amount of the increase or decrease, what if I just want to get the new value? Well, for example, let's say it's an increase. Let's say we're dealing with a percent increase. I can do new value compared with the old value is equal to 100 plus the percent increase divided by 100. Okay? Or if I wanted to do a percent decrease, right, then I would have new value from over the original amount equals 100 minus the percent decrease over 100. Okay, but we're going to use this one in the next example and see how it works. So in this example here, it says, suppose that the output of a certain machine at the Acme Gidget company is 600 gidgets per day. Okay, so that's the output. 600 gidgets per day. Okay, I'll just call it GDP, gidgets per day. If the output decreases by 8%, okay? So output decreases by 8%. Okay, so now it asks, what is the new output? Great. So now, in this case here, what do we want to do? Well, we could use the one that we used before. The amount of the decrease divided by the original amount equals the percent decrease over 100. Okay, and I recommend try to do that. See if you get the right answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one, but instead of, since it's a decrease, I'm going to use minus here. Okay, because it's a decrease. So I'm going to take 100% and I'm going to subtract off the percent decrease rather. So I'm going to change this to decrease. Okay, so now let's put in our numbers. So the value over the original amount equals 100 minus the percent increase, right? I'll just say rate over 100. Okay, so we know it decreases by 8% and we have the original amount. So this is going to be V over 600 equals, well, 100 minus 8% is going to be what? 92, right? 92% over 100. And so now if I multiply both sides by 600, I get V equals 92 over 100 times 600. And of course, this is going to give me 6 times 92, okay, which is going to give me 540, 552. 552 gidgets per day. Okay? As opposed to widgets. And now, we were able to get the final answer by using this proportion. But if you go back and do it the other way with the amount of the decrease over the original amount, right? So we're going to find the amount of the decrease over the original amount, and then instead of this, just have percent decrease over 100. You will find, by doing the same thing, you'll find the amount of the decrease, and then once you find the amount of the decrease, then you just subtract that from the original amount to get your new value, your new output. Okay, but doing it this way, I was able to go to it in one step without doing two. Okay. Have a great day.